eating my food.
Stop, I'm trying it.
This is actually good. Let's go. Oh, I'm gonna get copyrighted.
Oh, everybody got jewelry. Oh, I need some. What is that smell? Oh no, I can't put this on. It's on.
Go with the.
Can you spray on me too? Wait, I'm scared. I'm scared. Wait. Y'all so extra. You have to the vlog.
Yes.
It's vlog.
It's raining, guys. Oh my god. I smell so good. Oh, it looks like we're going to Disney. It's so windy and cold. As we are here at the hotel.
I need to go back. Now you need to stand up. Stand up what? Fix your posture, girl.
Service any a bottle of stale sparkling, just regular house water, which is filtered.
Thank you so much.
And you said
I wasn't going to. Just letting you know. Oh, Lord.
Oh, okay. Respectfully putting it back because I can't see my feet.
Get the bill.
you wanna open it so you could do the whole video. Got it? Yeah. I'm gonna bring it.
Look on the
Make a wish.
Please make me the best nurse you can. I want to be a vet.
My vlog. Going home.
Not that big.
It was good.
What's the cake for?
Birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Oh yeah. Well, no. It's like 2 years. It's 2 years. Like 4 semesters.
So, how are you getting your nursing?
Why didn't you bring it up?
Happy birthday. Okay. I made you bully. I didn't say bully.
Bubbly?
I said bully. Did you say bully?
I think it's because I know I'm a bully.
Open it.
Bubbly was the B.
It's B, it's 2B.
Bubbly person I know. Thank you for being such an amazing friend and for always.
Aww, that means a lot. That means
Emotional.
Open it now. Oh, they're gonna let her in. The trees. This is we're coming. Oh, with Darth Vader?
Yes.
I have a headache. It's the ears.
It's the ears and the ride.
Yeah. And I
Wait, take it.
Oh yeah, sorry.
No, it's okay.
yeah. No, I'm shy. Why are you running?
Something going on next month.
Next month? Oh no.
Like when you go boop. Play checkers, MJ.
Don't laugh at me. I forgot the rules for the checkers.
Who's playing checkers? You know what you did now.
Oh my god, he's moving.
Very good.
It does that too?
Yeah, it does. Oh my god, Slinky! Yeah, I got
Hold it in my hands. Oh, it's recording? I didn't see.
I feel bad.
Girl, I've been wearing this. Okay, now I'm hot. Okay. Ask him. I mean, it's already there. Following me around. But it's just Six Flags.
Here we go.
Six Flags? Yeah. Never been there, will not be going there.
And the last.
You heard that scream? Yes. Okay, but it's just my heart. The chord.
Why?
I don't know. I just know it. I did.
As I should. Hold your teddy bear face.
It's okay. Look at the moon. It's so aesthetic. Given twilight.
Oh, that is cute. Why do you guys love Disney?
The food. I love the rides. They're so fun.
That's it?
Well, we grew up in Disney so much as a child. I love Cinderella. Cinderella.
What did she say?
I love Cinderella. I love Princess Tiana. Barbie.
Oh yeah.
But it's not Disney. Right? What else?
That's it?
I love the popcorn. I love the ice cream, the churros, the funnel cake. Yeah. What else? We purple. You almost dropped on the stroller girl. You would have been picked up too. That's it.
Okay, cut. Wow.
I still love them. I'm just like, oh, I love. It's been like 9 years. I was too. Don't get me wrong. Zane came out with.
Enjoying life. Yeah. That is so clear.
Nothing can stop us now. Gonna make it happen.
Thank you.
Keto concealer.
Dancers will. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's so fun.
You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Oh.
Right around the pole.
Poor me. I want the plushie. It's on Amazon right now. It's like a little plushie like this one, but it's bigger. It's like the Love Moves. Oh, a Stitch? Yeah. These are my favorite. I only sleep with these. I don't even have a pillow. I sleep with Wish. I call it butter. Butter? Yes.
On your left.
Yeah, you have to do the ears.
Ear.
What ear? Oh,
The Mickey.
Girl, I heard ears like my ears.
Okay, let's go.
Oh my god. Oh, she put it. Oh, the Simba's cute.
Your babies.
Twins, different colors. One's an alien and one's a lion. A jungle. Maybe like oh my god, I have a crayon.
You have cramp?
No, just on my legs. Like,
Oh.